All right, hey guys, welcome in. Got a little optical illusion. I'm kind of switching it up a little bit, trying something a little different that I saw on one of these videos that my kids always go. It's an optical illusion, kind of creating almost like a staircase or like an underground kind of tunnel on a sheet of paper, like a 3D tunnel on there. So before I get started, why don't you do me a favor and like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. If you have already, thank you very much. And hit a comment down there on maybe your favorite optical illusion, and make sure you hit that subscribe if you haven't subscribed for all my awesome videos. But let's get started on this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a box and then kind of add some lines on the inside. So for my square, I'm gonna have my square kind of in the middle here. You can reuse a ruler if you want this to be a little bit more perfect. I'm gonna kind of divide that into half, almost into two triangles there. Get my two triangles separated, and then I'm gonna do my lines about even, almost like an L shape, all the way kind of down. All right, so I got this part down. Now I'm gonna quick outline this, and through the power of YouTube, it'll be done just like. All right, so I got it all outlined. Going a little bit thicker on the inside, a little bit thinner on the outside to kind of create that optical illusion. And I'm gonna switch it, actually. I'm gonna go different colors, kind of going down a little bit darker as we kind of progress. So that adding to the illusion of it going down into a space. So let's see that. All right, so then on the last thing that I want to do is I want to shade just on one side. I just want to do some shading and value to kind of exaggerate again that it's kind of going into a hole. So I'm going to do a little darker shading just on half. So kind of where that first line went down the middle. That first line went down the middle to divide everything. You want to do shading darker here. If you haven't kind of learned how to do shading or value, click down below on the link, and I have a value scale tutorial that shows you kind of how to add value, kind of going back and forth kind of evenly and making it look a little bit more realistic. There, so looks really cool. I added the color on there. I thought that looked a little bit better than just the black and white that I've seen before online. Definitely makes it look a little bit more like an optical illusion. So again, thanks for viewing, guys. I am Mr. Schuette. This is Mr. Schuette's Art Channel, and we will talk to you guys later.